Today we discuss benchmarking and its their definition, and also discuss prescription benchmark assessment, compliance benchmark assessment, effectiveness benchmark assessment, and their process of benchmarking. What are the benchmarker guides and what are the benchmarking processes? With also we discuss Kagyan system fundamentals for the improvements, Kagyan system, and so on. What is the benchmarking? Benchmarking is the philosophy has roots in Japan and where it is called the Dai no Tosu. In Japanese, benchmarking is called as a Dan to two, and which means it starts serving for the best. And it was used in Japan service World War II Taichi 1990. It was later on developed and extensively used as a by Xerox, which benchmarked its practices with Japanese firm Fuji Xerox and other Japanese competitors in 1979. Through a series of benchmarking efforts, Xerox could reduce its production cost and become a market leader. Now, benchmarking has evolved as searching and implementing industry's best practices that lead superior performance of an organization. बेंचमार्किंग फिलॉसफी की जो जड़ें हैं वो जापान से हैं, जिन्हें हम उनको डैंसू बोलते हैं, जिसका मतलब होता है स्ट्राइविंग फॉर द बेस्ट। सबसे पहले यूज़ जो है जापान सिंस वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड में हुआ था और इसके बाद इसका डेवलप और इसका यूज़ जो है एक्सटेंसिवली बाय जीरोक्स, जिसमें कि बेंचमार्क इज अ प्रैक्टिसेस विद जापानीज फर्म, इसका फ्यूजी जीरोक्स और अदर जापानीज कंपिटिटर्स इन 1979 में। ये जो सीरीज है बेंचमार्किंग एफर्ट्स जेरोक्स कुड भी रिड्यूस द प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट और बिकम मार्केट लीडर। आज के समय नाउ बेंचमार्किंग हैज इवॉल्व एज अ सर्चिंग और इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इंडस्ट्री है बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस दैट लीड सुपीरियर परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। Whenever discuss what is the definitions, in their definition, benchmarking is systematic or continuous measurement process of continuously measuring or comparing an organization business process against business leaders anywhere in the world to gain the information which will help the organization to take action to improve its performance, to performance improve। बेंचमार्किंग एक सिस्टमैटिक और कंटिन्यूस मेजरमेंट प्रोसेस है जो कि कंटिन्यूसली मेजरिंग करता है, कंपेयरिंग करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बिजनेस प्रोसेस अगेंस्ट बिजनेस लीडर्स और कहीं पर भी इन द वर्ल्ड टू, और कलेक्ट करता है इंफॉर्मेशन विच हेल्प करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कि वो एक्शन ले सके इम्प्रूव इट्स परफॉर्मेंस। एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ आइडेंटिफाई करना, लर्निंग और अडॉप्टिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रैक्टिसेस and process from any organization anywhere in the world to help an organization improve its performance। बात करते हैं ड्यूरिंग बेंचमार्किंग प्रोसेस में कंपनी कंपेयर्स करती है परफॉर्मेंस अगेंस्ट सेट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स या अगेंस्ट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ बेस्ट इन इट्स क्लास कंपनी। With the information provided by the comparison, a company can determine how to improve its own performance. Benchmarks serves as a reference points जो कि हेल्प करता है रिकॉग्नाइज करना इम्प्रूवमेंट्स एंड इनोवेशन विच आर फॉलोड इन द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। इसके बाद स्ट्रेटेजिकली अ सीरीज ऑफ एक्टिविटीज विल फॉलो दैट विल ट्रांसफॉर्म द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू प्रोसेस फ्रॉम एन ASIS सिचुएशन, जिसमें कि इनटू अ that way system exists now into a 2B, that is your 2B situation. In their 2B situations, that is that is the way of system should be in the future। And further comparison of ASIS scenario और 2B का या world class practice scenario will help in identify the gaps that needs to be bridged for superior performance। And there are typical areas to benchmarking includes procedures, operations, process, quality improvement, and efforts and making operational strategies etc. Benchmarking we have can be done by several levels as follows. First is that your perception benchmark assessment. The purpose of perception benchmark assessment is to focus of internal issues to know what the people within the company think and about themselves, the management, the company, or quality improvement process. It reveals information about a company current performance level. Second one is this, that is your compliance benchmark assessment. It is a purpose to know how a company is currently perform. कंप्लायंस मैनेजमेंट असेसमेंट में इसका पर्पस होता है कि जानना कि कंपनी जो करंटली परफॉर्मिंग अगेंस्ट द पब्लिश स्टैंडर्ड कर रही नहीं कर रही है, और उसका असिस्टमेंट जो होता है हमें हेल्प करता है, विल हेल्प ऑल्सो हेल्प कंपनी लोकेट वेयर कंप्लायंस टू स्टैंडर्ड इज अ वीक। एंड थर्ड लेवल की बात करते हैं, दैट इज योर इफेक्टिवनेस बेंचमार्क असेसमेंट। ये क्या करता है, वेरीफाई करता है कंपनीज कंप्लाइज with their requirements or has effective system in place to ensure that the requirements are being fulfilled. Now there are a process of benchmarking. In this process of benchmarking, you have seen this diagram carefully. In this process of benchmarking, there are a chart. In there are a chart, there are steps. Number one, stabilize the need of benchmarking. Stabilize. Second is the identify the function to be benchmarked. In this, there are a develop AS slash IS model. In there are a compare AS, IS and to be and develop to be model. There are a identify the gaps and devise ways to bridge it. Third one is that is your select the superior performance, competitive या non-competitive. Fourth one is the collect data and analyze for pinpointing gaps in performance process and practices, and also set performance goals for improving and surpassing the best in class. And seven is the implement plan to bridge the gap and monitor result. These are the 7 steps. First is to stabilize the need for benchmarking, identify the function to the benchmark and select the superior performance, competitive and slash non-competitive, and also collect data, analyze the for pinpointing gaps in performance process and practices, and also set performance goals for improving and surpassing the best in the class. And 7 is the implement plan to bridge the gaps and monitor results. This is the process of benchmarking. And there are next one is that is there are a continuous improvement benchmark assessment. Next one is a continuous improvement benchmark assessment. In this it's verify करता है that the quality is integral or permanent fact of an organization. This is the benchmarking. We discuss what is the benchmarking definitions and what are the levels for perception benchmark assessment, compilers benchmark assessment, effectiveness benchmark assessment, and there were process of benchmarking, and there were continuous improvement of benchmarking assessment.